Alrighty, this is how I set my teams of 5 up. I am probably one of the most basic multi-boxers out there. I do not have all the questions or the answers to all the questions. Mariah is, and well, everybody in the Discord channel is way better than me. But this is how I set things up. So the first thing I'm going to want to do is go use the wizard. So I just click up here in this top corner. I go to the quick setup. I pick my game from the list, which is Warcraft. Click the next button. Now, this is apparently, I don't know, it depends on your system and whatnot. I'm going to guess your system is 1,000 times better than mine. Mine is not a gaming PC. So, what I have to do is I end up having to use a DirectX 9 to get it to work here. So basically, I'm just going to pick any 5 of my characters here. Well, I'm going to pick 2 of my, I'm not even going to put in crap, like the BattleNet crap. I'm just going to make sure, I have to make sure that I change it to DirectX 9. Normally I would put in the email account here to log into, so it's already in there. I don't have to type that crap in when I go to load up. But for this case, we're just going to use a quick example. We're going to add that character there, grab another character. So it's already going to be set to DirectX 9 again, so I don't have to do that again. It's already once. Just set it and it's done. There's 2 characters. There's 3 characters. We'll say 4 characters, and we'll just pick that. There's 5 characters. Now the problem is what I should do is, let's just back up. Let's actually pick a team of 5 that I know are all 5 different email addresses and accounts, and it won't get all screwy from this point because I can see myself about to make a mistake. So anyway, let's go down to Manroth. Let's pick my Demon Hunter teams. We'll just go 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now they're all selected into the slots down here. I just click next. Give it your I don't know, Team Demon Hunter. Now from this pane you can I have 3 monitors, so I can change which monitors I'm going to be using and whatnot. But basically, let's just pick one here. I like to use that one there. I just don't like seeing the taskbar and all that crap. And it swaps. Like if I'm playing the game and I click on 2 will swap over to 1 will swap where 2 is. So whatever tune you want to control will be in your main screen. Now you can change your, let's see, where is that? Yeah. So right beside swap groups, you can click the little dots and you can choose which monitors go where. So I'm basically using my monitor 1 and 3 and using my other monitor for web stuff, whatever, or in this case, I don't know, whatever. It's irrelevant. Here's the point. So now that I've got my windows selected, I just click next. I let this do all itself because ISboxer is much smarter than me. It will know the best settings to set it up for. You can change these things if you know what you're doing. I don't, so I don't change them. I just let ISboxer picks it. It picks the best one for me, and my CPU and GPU and all that stuff. So now this is the last page. I've set the toggle broadcasting mode to F3 for some reason. Oh yeah, F3. So that turns on my, if I want to, for instance, farm an ore node. Now there's 2 ways you can do this. You can do it the easy way, which is, in my opinion, this is the easy way. Although there's more involved into it. Whereas every time you want to go, I just line all my tunes up on the node, so they're all really close to it and they're facing it, and then I turn on the broadcasting mode with F3, so that now it's broadcasting mouse pointers on all accounts, on all the windows, and I can just kind of hover, watch the smaller windows, my slave accounts. I can watch it and see where I've got the mouse pointer and get it over, hovering over the OR node or the herb node, and then I can just left click and they all farm that. And then I have to turn off broadcasting with F3 before I run away, or else they all go in different directions. Now it's a little more difficult to set up, but it's the interacting with target feature that is in here. I would suggest talking to somebody else who's a little more advanced with that. I don't set that up. It's another step that just I don't deal with. So I'll just click on broadcasting toggle affects all windows. So when I do hit this 3, or the F3, it will broadcast all, like the mouse pointer on all of the accounts. The only other thing I do is I click enable auto interact with target when broadcasting with these basic keys, so that way these two things work together. And that's how I understand it. Whether that's the way it is, I don't know. It's better to talk to someone else. And then I just go in here and I click the key and I hit the F1, and then I click OK, and it sets the F1 and the F2 here. I've got the Alt plus. So in this one I've got the Alt plus the mouse button. So I've just checked off the Alt, and then up here I hit the left mouse button. And then for in the game, I put it over here as well. I really can't, I'm not good at explaining things. I just know how I set things up, because I've gone and I've asked questions, I've had help, and they've helped me get it to the point where I can now create my teams really quickly. And then that's pretty much that for me. Now there are you can click the advanced options, all that lovely stuff, and there's more stuff to it, but that's as far as I go. That's all I touch and click in here. And then I just hit finish. Bam. Once it's done finishing, you have to save that. Then with ISboxer open, or the you know what I mean, this thing right here, with this open, export all to inner space. When it all, see, I don't have inner space open, so here I'll just fire it up. Here I'll fire it up. Yeah, anyways, now it's all good. Give me a second, I'm just scatterbrain. Oh, invalid password. No, I don't want to do that. Anyways, so now that it's been exported, you should see your character set in here. I got it as Team DH. As for, where was it? Your key maps, your base hotkeys, my flying bee. I do believe these are all kind of already set up for you. I don't think I ever touched the star. I might have touched these just because I wanted to make sure that if I had a team of 10 running, that it would run all 10. Like it would make all 10 moves. So I don't know if I've got that set properly or not. 4 tunes, 5 tunes. So basically this only works with 5 tunes. It's telling your slave counts to back away from you into a V position. Yeah, that's we'll save that for another time. But that's basically all I do when setting up a team. I hope this helps, and good luck.